How to disable YouTube Shorts. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily disable YouTube Shorts. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open YouTube application, and in your home page you will see a section for Shorts. Simply click on each video and choose the option of not interested, or simply at the top you will see show fewer shorts. And once you refresh your page, you will be able to see that there is no shorts available now. So that's it. Just like that, you will be able to remove shorts from your YouTube homepage. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.